next part is a kernel threads. Okay, in that part we just see how to create exactly threads by kernel. In previous lecture we saw how to create a threads by users. Now in this lecture we just discuss about how to create a threads by kernel. Okay, now in that threads just that particular threads are created by a kernel in his own level properly and successfully in the machines. That is exactly nothing but a kernel threads. Means what exactly I am again telling to you, means threads are created by kernel in the machines on his levels properly and successfully. Okay, that is exactly nothing but a kernel threads. Okay, kernel threads are available in a number of machines, means a number of OS. Okay, which kind of OS exactly available, like Windows NT, Windows All Series OS, Solaris 2, B OS, okay, and True 64 Unix. Okay, these are the number of OS. These are just a example of OSs. Okay, in that OSs kernels are available and kernels are created threads on his level properly and successfully. Now performs threads creation, scheduling and management. When the kernel create a thread, then he just focus on what is how to create exactly threads, then what is exactly scheduling of the threads, then he just do the proper management on threads properly and successfully. Now next point is a solar and manage. Okay, means kernel just created threads is a just a perform slowly, means he just create a threads very slowly as compared to user threads. Okay, and he also just a proper management on that threads. Okay, suppose just as a kernel just create a threads, okay, in a one particular programs or a one particular tracks. Okay, just create a number of threads of a one particular program. Suppose just assume in between number of threads are just block, then rest of threads are just executing, rest of threads are executing, then and then the particular program or particular tasks are executing properly and successfully. Means what exactly, if one thread is blocking, then the another thread can execute. Means what exactly, that particular sentence is very important. Means one particular programs regarding a kernel, one particular programs regarding a kernel just create a number of threads. Okay, just suppose a parti- suppose a kernel just create a 10 threads of a okay particular program regarding. Now but one threads are just block or stop, one particular threads are stop or block. Now rest of threads can execute properly and successfully. if the rest of if the rest of threads are executed, then it's quite possible that particular programs are executed successfully by kernel. Okay, on his levels. Okay, now here just some example is that, suppose just assume in a particular email. Okay, you know the very well, we just sending the email messages, one email to another email. Now you know the very well, in gmail there is only 25 MB are we can send a size to particular email. Means in gmail just a user only 25 MB size. Okay, is that clear? Means we just focus 25 MB, below 25 MB we do not use about 25 MB size of a particular message. Okay, or attachment for the forwarding the email to another mail, to another mail. Okay, that is the exactly example. Then next example is just like suppose just assume we just click on the browser. Okay, then the first click of browser, that's the first thread, then open the browser window, then second thread, then the open the browser, then the particular messages are come immediately front of you, there's a third thread. Okay, if the particular websites are not properly opening, but we can see number of messages, number of lines, number of sentences come front of you with images, with some pictures, with some audio, that is the number of four threads. Okay, that is the exactly situations are comes from the thread, from the kernels. Okay, means the kernel created that particular threads. Means when you just click the particular browser, then do not directly open a particular websites, then clicking a browser, then the open clicking the browser first thread, then open a browser second thread, then the particular website you just type a particular website third thread, then the come front of, then you can see front of you particular image, particular audio, particular picture, that is the third 4 threads, okay. Then the particular websites regarding all information front of you, that is the fifth threads, okay. That is the exactly situation, that is the exactly condition are performed by a kernel in the machines. These are just a simple example regarding Gmail, regarding browsers. This kind of things are happen in the program or in the projects also, okay. You know the very well. Suppose you just type a particular word files in the page, okay. In that page you just typing a number of typing, okay. You just create a sorry, you just type a number of words, number of sentences on that page, okay. Suppose you just type a continuous lines or continuous sentences on the pages, okay. Then in the some conditions, in some situation, some lines are comes in a second page, okay. Means a kernel just do the his own level, that he know the very well what is exactly limitation of a particular pages, size of a particular page, or size of a particular lines or particular sentences. Is that clear? Means what exactly, I just repeat again. Means you just open a word file, okay. Open a word, Microsoft Word, okay. You just type a number of sentences on a particular one page, okay. Then you just type a continuously typing, or you just continuously typing. Then you can see again particular lines are comes in a next page, okay. Means the first page is the first thread, second page is the second thread. But this can do by kernel in the machines, okay. Means the kernel know what is exactly size of a particular page, what is exactly capacity, what is exactly size, means how many lines, how many sentences are available on that page, okay. What is exactly capacity of particular page. Then he kernel do his own levels, okay. This is just example of Microsoft Word, PPTs, Excel. This can do the kernel his own levels, okay. Now here is just you can see the simple figure of a kernel level threads. Here is just user space, here is just a kernel space, here is just CPU. Now kernel doing the some processes on the program, on the projects, okay, on the model, on the task, and create a number of threads on his level. This is a simple figure, simple diagram of a kernel threads. Now focus to here just simple advantages. First one is a simultaneously schedules multiple threads. Means kernel just focusing or create a number of threads or multiple threads simultaneously with the proper executions, okay. Next advantage, if a one thread is blocked, then the kernel can schedule the thread in same process, okay. Suppose the kernel just create a number of threads for particular program or particular process. Suppose in that number of threads, one particular thread are just blocked, okay. Then rest of threads can execute. If the rest of threads are executed, then it's a quite possible particular program or particular task are can be executed successfully. Now third advantage is if maximum threads presents in same process, then the process is easily executed and fast, okay. Means it's a very important advantage is that kernel just do the particular program regarding a number of threads. Means the kernel just divide or create a number of threads of a particular program, okay. Means he just create a max to maximum threads of particular programs. Then it's we just get a chances that the particular programs are executed 100% and very fastly, okay. In which conditions, whenever kernel just create a number of threads then, okay. Next point is the disadvantages. First one is the kernel threads are slow and inefficient. When the kernel just create a thread, that particular process are very slow as compared to user threads and inefficient, okay. Now second disadvantage is requires full thread control block like a TCB for maintain the thread informations, okay. Means when the kernel just create a threads of regarding a particular program or regarding a particular process, then the kernel want to just maintain the thread informations properly and successfully on his level. That is a very important task, okay. That is exactly drawback or disadvantage. Now last drawback is a mode switch requires one thread to another thread, okay. Means the kernel just want to switching one thread to another thread. That is exactly drawbacks, okay. Means the kernel when suppose the particular suppose the kernel just create a number of threads of particular program, okay. Now he just want to suppose the first thread are executed, then he just switch to second thread, then switch to third thread for execution. That is the particular drawbacks. Okay, means the kernel not directly switching first thread to third, first thread to second thread, third thread to third thread to a fourth thread, then he just use a system call that times. Okay, that is the drawbacks. Okay, now one important sentence is that in user thread also and in a kernel thread also, suppose the thread to thread are sharing is possible, thread to threads are communication possible, then we can use a system calls, means a kernel uses system calls for a communication between a threads or or sharing between a threads by a system calls. Okay, in user thread also possible and in a kernel thread also possible. Kernel threads are very important points in your chapter for and also exam point of view. This is simple explanations of a kernel threads. I hope you just understands all these things.